Well, I always wanted to sit on a jet ski, and because there's no one here today, I think it's time to try it out. Wow, it's really as cool as I imagined. Let me turn on the accelerator throttle a bit. Huh, what's that burning smell? Wait a minute, there's smoke. Ouch, the engine is extremely hot. Oh no, the jet ski is on fire. What am I going to do now? I have to get out of here somehow. Help! Help! I got it. I'm just going to set off an alarm. And now I'm out of here. Help! Help! That's weird. Someone must have pressed the alarm button at the Ocean Rescue Center. Penny, that sounds like a rescue mission. Sam, someone pressed the alarm button at the Ocean Rescue Center. Roger, Station Officer Steele. Penny and I are on our way. Sam! Penny! Help! Oh no, Norman is stuck up there, and the entire rescue center is on fire. Penny, you have to start putting it out immediately. I'm calling Elvis and Tom. Roger, Sam. Elvis, Tom, can you hear me? You have to come over immediately. Roger, Sam. I'm coming over. Elvis, you help Penny putting out the rescue center fire. Of course I am. I'll try to get Norman back down. Sam, I'm letting the rope down now. Roger, Tom. I got it. Pull up. Stay calm, Norman. Wrap the loop around you so Tom can take us back down to safety. Okay, Tom, let's go. We're almost there, Norman. And charge the hose. Norman, how did you manage to burn down the entire rescue center? I wanted to try out the jet ski, and then it suddenly got very hot and caught fire. Oh no, Norman, you are just too much. Sam, the rescue center doesn't look that bad. We should be able to fix it. Okay, Norman, you were lucky, but the most important thing is that nothing happened to you. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like, you can watch some more right here. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to this channel.